Hey everyone, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Today I'm going to speak about aloe vera juice and the 5 best benefits and also important health warnings. And this is because over the past few months, I've gotten a few dozen questions about aloe vera juice and if it works, what are the benefits, and are there any negatives? So that's what I'll be discussing today. The first is, what is it? Now, aloe vera juice is basically like this gooey, thick liquid made from the flesh of the aloe vera plant leaf. Now, growing up, in the old days, we used to use it to treat sunburns, right? You just put it on the sunburn. You rarely heard about people actually drinking it back then. However, it does have additional health benefits outside of treating sunburns. So today, I'm going to give you the 5 best benefits of drinking the aloe vera juice, all backed by both clinical studies as well as anecdotal real-life feedback. By the way, one of the greatest benefits of real organic aloe vera juice is that it doesn't have your typical quote-unquote sugar content of, juices on the market, such as fruit juice or even vegetable juices. Basically, in 8 ounce, right, 1 cup of aloe vera juice contains no sugar and only about 4 grams of carbohydrates, which is just about 16 calories. So it's really nothing. But you only need about maybe 2 ounces to get many of the benefits that I mentioned today. The first is being more alkaline. Now, most people don't realize that one of the major causes of disease and sickness is being too acidic, and thus you should try to become more alkaline since our diets and stressful lifestyles, both physical and emotional, cause a very acidic environment in your body, and thus the acidity increases your odds of getting sick and having various diseases and cancers and so forth. And yes, I know there are some experts who say this is impossible and your body will naturally alkalize itself if it's too acidic and balance your pH and all that stuff, right? Yes, it will. And after years of doing all this extra work, it will eventually break down and get sick. It'll deplete a lot of your body's minerals. And I feel very strongly about this, and I'll just leave it at that. Needless to say, you should alkalize your body with aloe vera juice and other alkaline foods, such as leafy greens, root vegetables, legumes, nuts and seeds, and also fruits. Now, the other benefit is for heartburn and acid reflux. The compounds in aloe vera juice help control the secretion of acid in your stomach. The effects have been shown to combat gastric ulcers and keep them from basically getting larger. And it also is beneficial for those who have acid reflux. Now, one of the big reasons for all this is because of the alkalinity effects that I just mentioned earlier. Now, the third reason is hydration. Now, most people simply don't drink enough water and are basically walking around dehydrated. They fill themselves up with coffee and soda and other drinks and juices, basically, all of which have none of the benefits of water, none of the hydration benefits of water, and they basically, again, do not hydrate the body. So next time, instead of, grabbing something else like a Gatorade or vitamin water or similar drinks, or even coconut water, try a little bit of aloe vera juice because it is very hydrating. However, don't overdo it, and I'll share with you why in a minute. Another reason is digestive benefits. Aloe vera has digestive benefits because it contains several enzymes known to help in the breakdown of sugars and fats and to keep your digestion running smoothly. Additionally, the juice may also help people with irritable bowel syndrome and other inflammatory disorders of the intestines. And finally, it helps lower blood sugar. Interestingly enough, just ingesting just 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice per day can actually cause blood sugar levels to fall in people with type 2 diabetes. And yes, it even works for those without diabetes who simply want to improve their blood sugar levels. Now I want to discuss some of the negatives to be aware of. Now, there are really very minor negatives with aloe vera juice, but one of the biggest is the fact that it's a natural laxative, and thus it helps you go to the bathroom, especially if you're constipated. And that can be a benefit, again, if you're constipated. So either way, you want to start out very slowly when you take it. Start at a low dose. You only need about 1 or maybe 2 ounces of aloe vera juice daily to start. Maybe even just 1 tablespoon daily to start. Eventually, as you see how your body does, work up to maybe 2 times daily. You do not need to exceed 8 ounces, which is 1 cup. Spread it also, throughout the day. Lastly, what's the best form to use? When shopping for aloe vera juice, make sure that you look for the following statements on the label: that it's purified, decolorized, organic, and it's also safety tested. Just as a quick note, before I leave today's video, there below in the description area, I've listed a couple popular aloe vera juices you can purchase at Amazon. Thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.